Hey guys, it's Rachel here and just wanted to welcome everybody back for another video. And today is a release day for Shiny Silver Treasures, her Seaside Treasures collection. And the full collection is all available and it is in her shop. All of that information will be linked down below, along with all the information for my fellow design team members. Great group of crafters. They are all amazing. So all of their information will be down below. Please, please, please go check everybody out. Go check out Dawn's YouTube channel. Check out her shop. The website for that is www.shinysilvertreasures.com. And she does have an Etsy shop, is still up and running. But definitely go to this shop first. And definitely get you some Seaside Treasures. So I do not have the full collection here at this time, but as I get new pieces in from her shop, then I will definitely come on and do an unboxing or a reveal or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to dump right into showing you the papers. It is a collection of background papers, and there are some cut apart sheets if you want to use for embellishments or toppers. And you get 3 of each of these pages, and you get 1 each of the cut apart pages. So I'm just gonna roll right through it. So on this top page we have some really cute anchors, and there's all kinds of projects have already been made all across the platforms, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. So there's a whole wide range of designers on different platforms or multiple platforms that you can go in and check out, as well as Dawn is available as well on all of these platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So definitely go check them out and see all the fun, great stuff that is being made. So top page is the anchor. We really have been having a lot of fun. Well, we always have fun with her stuff. Let's just call it what it is. And then we have a really pretty starfish pattern. We have a nice kind of a smoky ombre look on this one in a blue. And then we get a really pretty nautical bloom in blue. And then we get a sheet of multiple nautical blooms, again with a blue ombre background, and these are kind of in a teal color. And then we have another smoky, fun background with like a orange peachy tinted smoke look, as well as a blue ombre in the background. And this looks like a really nice dark teal. I'm not sure how this appears on my camera. I'm trying to adjust the color settings on my camera to make sure I'm getting it as close to what it actually looks like as possible, but the colors will vary depending. So we have that one. And then we have the full-on blue ombre to round out the 7 design collection. And again, you get 3 each. And then now we are tipping into the cut-aparts. You get some fun nautical themed images that you can cut out to use for backgrounds. You could cut out for embellishments, or you could just use this whole thing as a background. Mix it up a little bit. So we have the star, the sandcastle, lighthouse, pail and shovel, the little shell, and the anchor. So much fun. And then you get duplicates of it in a smaller size. So you get basically 2 sheets on one if you want to use the smaller elements to build up your card or project. It doesn't have to be cards. There, all across the board, they will go with many kinds of crafting. And then we get a fun sheet of nautical blooms where you have like a really pretty red, blue, like a aqua or a teal, like a purpley pink, and then like a peachy orange. And again, these are all cut apart. You could use them as a background paper. You do you. And then here we have a sheet of 2 on 1 at like the other sheet. So it's that page, but 2 on 1, so you can cut it in half and do as you wish. So that is all the papers. And the cut apart Sorry, mouth is not functioning. These cut apart papers, there's only one each. I know I'm repeating that, but I just want to be sure that I get that information out there. And then these are the pages. All the background papers are the ones that you get three copies of each image. And this is the size that they will come to you from Dawn's shop. So just so you know, this is the size. Okay, and then the other goodies I happen to have, and I only showed you the one because I've been making stuff with the papers and the embellishments and stuff like that. So I just took one copy of each paper out to show you, just so you know. And then here, just for a little fun, here are two of the larger embellishments that come in a little wooden embellishment kit or packet. I do apologize, my words are not functioning great today. So you're given a shell, which I think it looks like a nautilus, but I might be completely misusing that word. But in any case, that is the shell. And then here is a fun starfish. Now, this was inked up. They all come in the natural wood color. So I did ink this up using Vintage Photo. And then this was embossed with ink and clear embossing with just a touch of like a glittery green. Not a lot of the green is coming through, but if you catch it in the light in some angles, you can see the little flecks of glitter. But I digress. So in any case, these were the two large embellishments that come in the little pack of wooden embellishments. And I have actually already gone ahead, again, because I've been working on projects. I went ahead and embossed in like an aqua green the little seahorses. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and you get 5 starfish. And these you get one of each. Although, depending on the packets, some things may vary, just so you know ahead of time. Sometimes you may not always get the same thing as someone else. But all the basic components are here. Wooden embellishments, the papers, and then I have a pack of the stickers that I'll get to shortly. So I have already gone ahead and decorated these starfish for a project I'm going to be making. And then I already pre-embossed the little starfish, or the little seahorses that that came in the kit. Okay, so we got papers and embellishments there. And then the final thing to show you are these cute little stickers. As you can see, I've already put them to good use. You get 4 patterns. And again, this might vary. But you get 5 each of these. I'm telling you, what is up with my dictionary today? Or maybe it's the thesaurus that's not working. I'm not entirely sure. Each set, thank you, that's the word I'm looking for. The set. Each set, you get 5 of each set of stickers. And again, you can see I've already had so much fun with them. So these are all the elements I have at the moment. And again, like I said, as I get more things from her shop, I will come up and put a video out for you to review them. And if you are interested, all that information is linked down below along with my fellow design team members. So you never lack for quantity of supplies when you order from Dawn. I'm going to be later this summer putting up a video just showing you exactly what I mean. So you get a lot of stuff through her shop, through her card making kits, all of it. So it's always good value for money, for sure. So let me set those aside, and I think the other important note, let me refer to, I keep a little sheet just off camera to keep points to keep me on track here. So the other things to note for her shop, for July, from July 1st through July 31st, all Christmas themed items in her stores. This is only on the main website, which is the www.shinysilvertreasures.com. The Etsy shop does not support the coupon, so I need to be clear about that. But on the main website, if you type in Christmas 30, and I believe if it's case sensitive, the X is uppercase, Christmas 30, and that will give you 30% off of all Christmas themed items available in her online store. And again, this is not included in Etsy. This is only for the main store online. And another important thing to note is she has some really fun handmade items from two special crafters for her. She has some fun special items that have been made by her daughter as well as her friend. So please go check them out. They have some really amazing stuff that they've contributed and have up on Dawn's shop. So lots and lots of goodies available. And definitely go check out the Seaside Treasures collection. I know amongst the design team, we have all been having a riot. Just a whole wide range of things you can do with her stuff. So definitely check out those videos. Feel free to stop here and go check it out. I am not offended whatsoever. And yeah, I think I covered all the main points. So as of today, July 1st, this collection, the full entire collection, is available. Definitely check out the other videos that are coming up that are getting put up by Dawn and all of the other gals. They will have more of what I don't currently have. So if you're interested to see what else is available, do go check them out for sure if you want to see them being used and whatnot. So I'm going to leave that here, the information part of it and the preview of the papers, so you know what you're getting. And I believe I am just going to go into the quick DT project that I'm going to make for you. And that part will be set to music and sped up. So if you have any questions, I definitely recommend contact Dawn at shinysilvertreasures.com. There is an email. You can sign up for her website to stay in touch with newsletters and upcoming items and things and sales and all the information she may be putting out. You can do that, as well as if you have any questions, you can definitely email her directly. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely thank you guys for showing support to Dawn and the other design team members, and I appreciate the support that you show me. But today is all about Dawn's goodies, and they are goodies. They are so much fun. Seriously, like, get some and you'll see. So I'll leave you there. Take care. Definitely stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.